Mob, what it do, broski? It's your main man, your DaveyMcFlyy. Two Wise checking in, man. Finna drop out some fire, broski. Y'all already know what's going on. Hey, goo up. Tell them folk what to do to that like button.
Put that nigga ass in the dirt.
Go ahead, put that like button in the dirt for your boy. One time for the one time, bro. I appreciate it for real, for real. You know what I'm saying? Check out the links in the description, cause I got coupon codes for you if you need to stay hydrated. Them cold water bottles on deck for sure, for sure. For real. So yeah, man, all my OGs, youngins, day ones, new members alike, bruh. Appreciate y'all pulling up, man. So happy to get this junk back into the collection. We ain't even really gonna waste no time with it, bro. We really finna get into it. We finna get into it, bro. I'm hyped about this one. Matter of fact, I'm gonna turn the lights on. You know what I'm saying? We gotta make it special. We're gonna make it special this time. Let's go. Got the knife on deck. Yeah, man. This is the only Yeezy that matters. The only Yeezy V2. For real. The only Yeezy 350 V2. Let's get that specific, all the way specific. This is the only Yeezy 350 V2 that matters, bro. Yeah. I don't know how, bro. I'm finna catch it, try and get up in this box, son. Ha! Yeah. Good knife work. Good knife work. Disconnection. How we get up in here, though? It's so frustrating. And I'm not trying to cut myself, man. Oh, wrong way. Yeah, I ain't expect this to be the hardest part of getting into it, but I hope all y'all had a good day today, bro. For real. You know what, I'm about to just tie it up. Yeah, I'm about to tie this junk up. It's getting first. Let's go one side. Other side. Can we get the top off? Can we get the top? Oh, it go this way. Okay, we're going this way with it. Bro. I've been struggling with this box. Woo! Let's get it. Yes. The only Yeezy 350 V2 that matters, bro. Finally got it back, man. Finally got it back, bro. Finally got it back. Yes, and this is the only Yeezy 350 V2 that matter. I ain't gonna show y'all the tag, bro. This is a shoe from my collection. So I done had it before. Box still pristine. Everything still good to go. And yes, finally got them back, bro. Finally got them back, bruh. And we ready. Bro said, check on the inside of this jump. Ooh. 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 Man, look. So, hey fellas, I can't even show y'all what's in that jank, cuz. But it's in that jank, cuz. Matter of fact, to figure out what's in that, make sure you are subscribed and notified, and check out Big Woods of Bull, Big Backwoods of Bull, bro. Next time I go live on Big Backwoods of Bull, make sure y'all pull up on the kid. You hear that? Yeah, make sure y'all pull up on the kid to see what that is. Bye. I gotta see for myself. Yeah. We got a snickerdoodle, okay? Got a good old snickerdoodle in there, bro. Good old cookie in that thing. Just a little cookie, ain't nothing but a cookie, you feel me? Matter of fact, boy, yeah. We're gonna take that jump down on the shit tonight on stream, bro. Tonight on stream, bro. We're gonna smack that on stream tonight, bro. Salute to my bro Eli. Make sure y'all turn the notification on right now, cause you don't want to miss the stream tonight, bro. This the only Yeezy 350 V2 that still matter to. Well, nah, I'm just saying that, bro. I'm just saying that, bro. I still rock with Yeezy 350s all across the board, all colorways. You know what I'm saying? With the strap, without the strap. Yeah, I just had to get some kind of good clickbait going or something. You know what I'm saying? I'm just glad to get these joints back. I rock with all 350s still. Peace.